Quick reminder to early adopters of the Mustang Mach-E. Get your free additional key fob. In 2021, Ford only provided one key fob because you could use your phone as a key, but this feature wasn't reliable. Many customers complained, so Ford listened and is providing an additional key fob to the affected customers. If you already bought a key fob, you may choose to receive another one for free to use as a backup, or you may be eligible for a refund. You can tell if you're eligible for this program by going into your Ford Pass app, select Service, and select Recall. If you're eligible, you will see additional remote control and key blank listed under CSP, which stands for Customer Satisfaction Program. To take advantage of this program, go to any Ford dealership. It does not have to be the one where you bought your car, and talk to the service manager. Tell them you are eligible for a free key fob through the Customer Satisfaction Program number 22B10. I provided a copy of my key fob and key blank receipts. The service manager submitted my claim, and I received my refund check in 4 days. The dealership I went to hasn't seen many people take advantage of this offer, and it ends on August 5th. So hurry up, enjoy your additional key fob, and I will see you next time.